So I just had a problem with my air conditioning unit. See, water was leaking out of it. And if you take a look in here, you see there's a plug. That was in the condensate line, okay? So what was happening was that pipe, for some reason, is all the way down to the bottom of the condensate pump, and it was not letting it fill up. So I was able to pull it out, and a bunch of water drained out of it. You can still see it's draining out right now. So I'm gonna cut about 1.5 inches off the bottom of that pipe, put everything back together, and then I think we'll be in good shape. But right now the water is draining out of the bottom of the air conditioning system, the air handler, I should say. So let me cut that off. That'll be the fix. I'll update you if there's any other problem. But you can see there was a plug right in the bottom of that too, just sediment and junk. The water was not moving properly through the drain pipe. That's all for now.